you ever wondered where you would be without your washing machine? Adaptable, reliable and invaluable, it works tirelessly to keep your clothes clean and smelling fresh. But more often than not, they don't get the affection they deserve. Limescale and bacteria build up. Bad smells begin to linger, and the machine doesn't work as well as it could. But for just £3 a month, you can keep your machine fresh and hygienically clean. Dr. Beckmann's Service It range, now with active carbon, acts as a dirt magnet and will remove 99.9% of bacteria, limescale and any unwanted odours. So please, give generously and give your machine the care and attention it deserves. Don't just clean it, service it.